it's over. I'm gonna start posting some short videos because my phone storage is almost over. Let's go. I'm going super fast. Woo! Dang, I crashed. Woo! But I'm still the fast. I gotta stop crashing. Like I gotta stop crashing. Boom! I won. Goodbye. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.